The Autodesk BIM for Infrastructure Solutions, within the Autodesk AEC collection, helps civil and transportation engineers and land developers make smarter decisions that improve project outcomes. LiDAR to Design, from the scan to BIM workflow, lets land developers and architects capture existing site conditions in hours, instead of the days required by traditional survey methods. Inside of Recapphoto, you can import mobile LiDAR scan data made up of multiple scans consolidated into one and interrogate the data. You export only what's needed to cover for your project. Now, use InfraWorks to generate an existing condition surface that accurately depicts your project's terrain model. By changing from conceptual view to engineering view, you can see the surface contour lines generated from the LiDAR point cloud. This allows you to visualize and understand how the terrain lays and its existing features and structures. This existing ground surface is used for linear feature extraction. For example, the center line of the road striping or the edge of pavement striping. You can quickly inspect the model to be sure you have the necessary line work extracted. This line work is used for designing inside of Civil 3D. You can also interrogate the model data with the cross-section view. In this cross-section view, you can add additional break lines to points in the section view and automatically generate additional linear features. Use InfraWorks to generate these transverse lines. These lines sample the cloud data at an interval and spacing, so you can export a lightweight but highly accurate version of the cloud data. Back in Civil 3D, you can utilize the highly accurate line work and surface information extracted in InfraWorks and apply it to your design. The Autodesk AEC collection provides the BIM for infrastructure solutions that engineers need to increase design innovations and efficiencies across infrastructure projects. To learn more about how you can improve your project outcomes, contact your Autodesk sales representative or start your free trial today.